Hello friends, Running Kimono. So today's video is a fun one. We're going to be using two different TikTok methods to clean out my oven. So I have this double-decker oven. The top end is a regular oven and the bottom is a convection, so I could test both methods of cleaning. And as you can see, it's pretty dirty, like messy. So a little bit of sped up video here. I'm removing the racks. Whenever I do an oven cleaning video, those racks, people get so mad in the comments about it. I personally don't have an issue leaving it in, but people really do. So I have a little bit of oven cleaner and wearing a mask because I was choking on this. I didn't have Easy Off, but I had I think it's called Powerhouse, and you can buy it at Rite Aid or anything like that. And it's less expensive than Easy Off. And this first one is to use the cling wrap all over, and then you let this sit for about 4 hours wearing that mask and an old ratty shirt. And this cleaner is very, very potent. Like, you'll just start coughing. It's so strong. So I'm just going to gingerly put that cling wrap all over the place. And it's kind of hard to work with cling wrap this way, but there it is. I did my best. For the bottom, which is the convection oven, there's another method on TikTok to use paper towel. So I thought this was a little bit easier, but then it also had its challenges, and you'll see here in a quick second. But just laying down that Bounty paper towel, and I actually had to put some on top because it wouldn't stay flat on. Like, it was, I don't know, thicker paper towel, I guess. And yep, as you can see on the side, it just kept wanting to fall over. So then I tried to, put some on it and then tack it up, but then it would just always fall over. So it was kind of challenging. Very professional here. Now in a sink, I used some Dawn Power Wash and a little bit of Scrub Daddy, that power paste, to get these wire racks clean. And then 4 hours later, let's look at those ovens. So I let my rack soak for 4 hours, and then I let this cleaner sit for 4 hours. I put a little message there so my husband wouldn't make pizza. Now for the cling wrap, I noticed right away the plastic was pulling up a lot of debris, and I thought, wow, this is really going to work. This is just a genius hack. And I had a little bucket of some cold water with a Scrub Daddy, and I just started putting my elbow grease into this. And this is some sped up video, guys. And I tried and I tried and I tried. I think for about 30 to 40 minutes, I just kept doing this process over and over and over again. In that one corner, there's a little bit of I think it's some cheese that got burnt. So I had to use a scraper to pull it out. A little plastic one I got from Amazon. And me actually doing that pulled it out. But this saran wrap method, not working. It just doesn't work. And for 40 minutes, I tried this, I tried that. I didn't put more chemicals in there. I, again, just used a little bit of water, but nothing was working to clean the baked on grease. And this, just not worth it. It was just what I did with the wet paper towel probably cleaned it the most. It didn't seem like a lot was happening. And yeah, it just looks like a lot of baked on grease. And you can see we use our oven a lot. That does not look very clean to me, not to my standard. So now the convection with the paper towel, as you can see, all the ones that went on the walls, everything just fell over. And it looks like very little happened here. And I'm going to say between the two methods, the cling wrap is much, it pulls out a lot more than this, because this, although we don't use our convection oven as much, there was still a little bit of dirt in there. I had to use the scraper again, and nothing was moving. It's I didn't even put any oven cleaner in there. It was just, yeah, it was very little, and I was very disappointed with this this little hack. But a lot of ladies had a tremendous amount of success with this paper towel method. Maybe they were using very thin paper towels for the absorbency rate, but with what I was using, it did not work. Here's just some of the paper towels from the top oven. Yes, it did pull a lot of the dirt, but there was still a lot of baked on grease, and it was still a mess. And I spent 40 minutes with paper towels and stuff, just keeping it 100 with you guys. I just do not have that magic touch. So you know what I did? I ran my self-cleaning oven 4 hours for the top, 4 hours for the bottom. So I ran it 2 different times, and just to show you, here are the results. I did use a wet paper towel and remove the ash after the self-cleaning mode for both ovens. There's no even grease on the doors, guys. Like, this is totally the way to go. Save so much time, and it looks sparkling, sparkling clean. Could not be happier with the self-cleaning mode. So in the comments, if you want to let me know if you've ever tried this TikTok method, did you have any success? Did I do something wrong? And if you are curious about the LG self-cleaning mode, I will link a couple videos at the end on cleaning your oven, and I think that's the way to go for me. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.